Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I haven't really been uploading makeup videos on my channel because I've been uploading them on Instagram, but I will talk about that later. Today I actually have a Fashionnova try on haul video for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I am really excited and I am so happy because I ordered 2 piece sets, so I'm really excited about that because I love every single piece that I got. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first piece that I got is called Slow Motion Hacci Legging Set. And mostly everything that I got was actually a legging set because I really like how the legging sets look on me. So let me open this up for you guys. So this one is in the color Oatmeal in the size medium, and I will show you guys how it looks right here. I'm gonna scoot this way. So this is the top. So warm and comfortable, and it's a long sleeve. I love how flowy it is from the top, and then the leggings are very warm and tight, and I like that they're skinny jeans and they're so cute. I really like the style of them. And the material feels very warm. Like I said, this is a matching set in the color Oatmeal. And all my sets, I got them in a size medium. So that's the first one that I got. They're very comfortable. Like I said, I love the 2 matching sets. They look so cute and they're very comfortable, all of them. So yeah, so this is the first one. I really like the color and everything. And I was like, you know what? It's kind of cold. So I want to be able to wear something comfortable yet look very cute, and I can wear them with my Air Forces or my Nikes. So yeah, moving on to the next one. This is another matching set. This one is called, where is the tag? Right here. This one is called Don't Get This Twisted Hacci Pant Set in a size medium, and the color is Mauve. And that's what this one looks like. This one, I think I could have gotten a smaller size, but I like it that it's a little bit oversized. So it's comfortable, like for me to lounge around the house, you know, kick it in the couch, watch movies and stuff, and still feel warm. Long sleeve, thermal. It feels very warm. I feel like it's like a thermal type. It's very warm and it's so cute. The color is amazing. The back is super cute because it's open from the back. So it's comfortable, yet it's still sexy. That's what I like about it. So this is the top, and then the matching set as well as the pants. Very warm and skinny. I like that. And they fit really nice on the body, as you guys can see. I really love this one. Next one is like a knitted pants set. I thought I already had one, but no, the other one that I have is like a crop top type. This one is called In a Knit Sweater Set in the size medium. This is the color Rust, and it's a long sleeve. Now this one is very cute and comfortable. I can see myself wearing this like to be around the house, just to be comfortable. Long sleeve, very comfy, not showing anything, you know. Very cute, warm. And then we have the pants size as well. It has like the little tie thing, so you can tie it in the front, and it hugs your like ankles as well, so it's very comfortable. So everything I mostly got was to be comfortable at home because I feel like I need more comfortable outfits, but yet I can still wear them out if I wanted to. Next outfit is Coffee Break Pant Set, the color Charcoal in a size medium. This one is a crop top. I really like this one. I wore it the other day and I got compliments in it. So this one's a little bit more like open and short. Long sleeve. The color is super nice. And then the pants as well. I got them in a size medium. I don't know if I said the size, but that's the pants that I got as well. I love how it hugs the body. Like I said, they're very comfortable. Super cute. I wear them with my Air Forces. The next outfit, this one is so cute and sexy. This one is called Nora Legging Set in the color Taupe, size medium. This one as well is a crop top. Super cute, long sleeve. The back has an opening, so this one would be like super sexy, so your back shows. And then it ties in the back. It has like a little tie in the back. So yeah, so this one actually in the video I'm actually wearing my sports bra, but if I were to wear this I'll probably not wear a bra. I don't know, it depends, but you can see my sports bra in the video. But you could definitely not have to wear anything under, or you could definitely wear something. I mean, it's up to you. The pant size as well, this one is super warm, you guys. I feel like I don't know why I keep saying thermal, it reminds me of a thermal, but this is very comfortable, skinny as well, fits really nice, hugs the body. So we have that one. And then on my last video I had gotten a set. It was in the color taupe. I decided to get it this time in a size in a color black, excuse me. It's called Meet Me at My Favorite Spot legging set in the color black. Size medium is the crop top, long sleeve as well, with the black pants. And this one was my favorite, so I said I had to get it another different color, so that's what I did. Got it in a different color just so I can have it. I can wear it in taupe, or I can wear it like in black. This one is one of my favorites, like favorites. I actually wore this for Valentine's Day. So this one as well is a two-piece. This one is called Tied to You legging set in the color mauve, size medium, and it's a crop top. Let's see. So it's a crop top. It goes tight. Let me tie it so I can show you guys what it looks like. So you tie it from the front and it covers just your boobies. Let me see. Hopefully you guys can see it. You'll see it in my video anyways. But it's like a crop top like this. Flowy with the little sleeves. Like that. You guys see that? And then the pants are pink. I actually wore this for Valentine's Day. So the pant size. Skinny jeans. It's so cute. I love this one. It was my favorite. All right, I also wanted to try on like a little black dress type, like a little, what is it called? This one is called One of the Boys Dress. I got it in this style because I feel like I could wear this with my Air Forces. I love my Air Forces. I wear my Air Force. Well, I don't wear them all the time, but when I do feel like I want to dress up or kind of look stylish, I kind of wear my Air Forces. So I got this little dress and it hugs my body really nice. It's cute. I could actually wear this with my Air Forces and a jacket on top, or you know, wear sandals, whatever, like however you want to style it. You know, can never go wrong with a little black dress. So that is that. And I got it in a size medium as well. All right, this one was one of the pictures that I posted on my Instagram. This one was very comfortable. I really like the material on it. Very, very, very comfy. This is like, I wore it twice already. It's probably dirty, but I haven't washed it. So that's what the front looks like. It's short sleeve, and then the back is so sexy in the back, yet it's short because it'll show your butt, so it's comfortable. It looks so freaking sexy. And then the leggings as well. The leggings, I really like the material because they're stretchy and they hug your body really nice. This one I got in a size medium as well. And then this one is like the winner. This is the top of this one. Like when I saw it, I was like, oh my God, is that gonna cover me? But it actually did cover me. The color looks amazing as well. So this is the top, short, crop toppy, brawly type. And then let me show you guys, comes with the pants as well. Super comfortable and warm. And then what I liked about this one, that it came like with what is it? This one is called Feel You 3-piece legging set, like with a cardigan. Is that what it's called? A long cardigan. It's not even that long because I'm short. I'm 5'2", and it doesn't touch the ground. I've purchased another one that does touch the ground, so I don't really like how long it is. This one is perfect. Doesn't touch the ground. Long sleeve. Very comfortable. So those are the outfits that I got this month. Very comfortable, like I said, that's what I was kind of going for, like comfortable, sexy, something that I can actually wear at home, and then if I wanted to leave, I can actually wear that out and be comfortable. So yeah, let me know which one was your favorite from all of them. I will link everything down below for you guys if you guys are interested. Don't forget to follow all the social medias down below. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram because that's where I'm going to be uploading my makeup tutorials from now on. I feel like it's more, it works out more over there than on YouTube, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys again for watching. Stay tuned for my videos. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.